Storm Track 3, Chief Meteorologist Nick Hausen.
Finally, some rain in the forecast. Already a few spots, seeing at least a few sprinkles to start this morning. We've had a couple showers now making their way out of our region, tracking to parts of southwest Indiana and central Kentucky. However, watching more showers and storms beginning to develop across the Missouri Ozarks, and those also beginning to track eastward. Still a lot of very dry air down here at the ground level. So what you're seeing there moving through Evansville, Indiana, Owensboro, Kentucky right now, that pushed through parts of southeastern Illinois, but more than anything, likely just resulted in a few sprinkles. That exiting, we saw that move through places like McLeansboro to Broughton and El Dorado and even Ridgeway and New Haven, picking up on some of that. But more showers and maybe even a few bolts of lightning, seeing a few flashes of lightning there north of Farmington, Missouri there, with those starting to develop anywhere from Madison County southward through Wayne County, Carter and Ripley County, right along the Current River in southeast Missouri. Also starting to see some of those scattered showers developing, those also tracking to the east and northeast. And as we go throughout the morning, we'll likely continue to see showers and storms develop out across the Ozarks and then push north and eastward, eventually becoming pretty widespread by mid to late morning. But it's the first chance of widespread rain we've had around here in nearly 3 weeks. Occasionally there could be a couple rumbles of thunder, flashes of lightning, some gusty winds from an isolated strong storm or two, but not talking about a drought-busting rain. We could see a few pockets of heavy rainfall, but for the most part, this is going to be a very fast-moving system and just not going to put down a lot of heavy rain. Thursday and Friday, expecting the winds to pick up the relative humidity. Those dew points, they are going to plummet, and behind that means a high field fire threat. Not great days to burn Thursday and Friday. Really high chance that some of those fires could get out of control very quickly with some of the dry vegetation, of course the very dry air also. Looking ahead to the weekend, a little warmer on Saturday, a couple more chances for a few scattered showers also on the way. Live view from Carbondale this morning, currently 68 degrees there. Dew points, notice that back in the mid 40s. So there's that dry air we're talking about still in place. A very breezy morning though, and that's one of the reasons temperatures are so mild right now. South-southwest winds running at 18 miles per hour. It's a sustained wind currently in Carbondale. The actual cold front itself still out to our west, out across parts of western Missouri, parts of southeastern Kansas. That's going to be tracking our way as we go throughout the day today. The cold front itself does not arrive around here until tonight. Notice 7 a.m. still a couple isolated scattered showers and storms, but as we make our way into the mid to late morning hours, there's those showers and storms filling in very, very quickly, becoming pretty widespread, especially in the southeastern or southeast Missouri and parts of southern Illinois by lunchtime. Best chance for widespread rain there, and then gradually shifting to the south and east through the afternoon across western Kentucky. Couple lingering showers possible near the front behind it, but as we look ahead to tonight, rain clears out. Tomorrow morning waking up in the mid 40s, and then tomorrow afternoon strong winds from the west northwest, a lot of sunshine. Quite a bit cooler, highs only in the mid to upper 60s. And as anticipated, the Storm Prediction Center shifting most of the severe weather to our south. Can't entirely rule out an isolated strong storm today, again with some gusty winds, some small hail. Not a big rainmaker though for us. A lot of folks are going to pick up less than a half an inch. Don't get caught off guard today though, so we'll make sure you've got that interactive radar feature loaded right there on that Storm Track 3 app. High field fire threat Thursday and Friday. Dry weather though. Scattered showers return on Saturday. Another strong cold front's going to move through. And behind that front, look ahead to Monday and Tuesday of next week. Monday high only in the upper 50s. Tuesday morning, freezing temperatures likely. Again, we could actually see some spots well into the 20s on Tuesday morning. Highs only in the mid to upper 50s next Tuesday and Wednesday. So some cool stuff on the way next week.
All right. Thank you, Nick.